much better. Okay, I can kind of actually see above my desk now. I am really excited to share a get ready with me video. I did this hairstyle. It's something that I like to do as my go-to. It looks a little bit more complicated than it really is. It's very simple. It's the look that I did for a wedding that I went to, and I've had non-stop compliments and people asking me how I do it. So in the back, as you can see, it looks a little bit more intricate than it is. But I have a lot of volume at the crown of the head. I have just pulled pieces from the nape of the neck, twisted them, and bobby pinned them. That would be definitely a secret of mine, is just getting the bobby pins in the correct placement. And that's how I achieved today's look. I really like it messy. I tend to make sure that my hairstyles aren't very uniformed, and my fingers are my best tool. So if I'm not happy with the sides, because I do have very fine, thin hair, I find that it's very difficult to find pieces to frame my face. So what I'll do is I'll just take my fingers and I'll gently massage the sides where the hair meets the nape of my neck, around the top of my ears, and then closer up to the top. So you want to make sure that you're not getting rid of that volume, that you're not overcompensating for making sure you get rid of all those tough areas. You just really want to make sure that you're very gentle with this part. And then I just take my curling iron or my my flatten iron, and I will just curl the side pieces as well. This is the makeup look that I did. I'm extremely excited to get on here and share a few things. One of my biggest goals was to find an affordable makeup palette that's not going to be very costly for your budget, that it's not going to come off really easily, that even though I know the pigmentation in these drugstore or dollar store makeup palettes isn't as superior as the name brands, but I did find one that I'm absolutely obsessed with, and this is what I have on my eyes today. As you can see, I did more of a neutral look. I have a lot of light in the inner corner. I did a very smoked out look in the crease and outer corner of the eye, and then again I use the brown to smoke out my lash line. It's my absolute favorite go-to while I'm being quarantined, making sure I'm not wearing too much makeup. I just apply a nice soft brown shade, and I did that under the eye as well. And that's the desired look that I came up with. So let's continue on with the video. I'm going to show you a little bit about how I got this, and we'll go from there.